Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ready, one. What do you mean? Đi vào. Thì nó phải trên hả? Let's go. Leave. Okay, go. Go there. Hey guys, welcome back for another video. For today, I am gonna build a bike, which is like for 3 years now. I own it and I gave it to my girlfriend, and recently she hasn't ride that bike for a long time, and she keep it in our garage for a long time. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna wash them again and I'm gonna rebuild, which is I really wanted to do during these days, because I didn't ride morning ride for a long time, and I'm stay at my home, and yeah, we're gonna build a bike. So the bike is giant fixed subframe. I bought it maybe 3 years ago, which is really cheap on that days, and right now it's really expensive, so I have to keep it so carefully, you know, not to throw it to the trash, you know. So I have to fix and rebuild. Go away. So I don't really have really much bike mechanic stuff, so I will build by my style, you know, my own style, you know. I try to fix it on the ground, and I might be throwing some stuff on the floor, so don't mind me. I'm not a real mechanic, you know. So So the handle I'm going to use is the 2-butted handle on the stem, which is over 1. I really love it. I like the shape. So I finished my wheel and the chains done. So right now I'm going to put my seat and my strap pedal. Let's go. I'm too tired. Lost every time. So now my bike is good to go. I am only need to loop a little bit, and I'm gonna adjust my handlebar a little bit, then might be straight to go. So it might be a really short video about me fixing the bike and rebuild the bike. So the bike is really unique and really light. I really love it. I might ride a little bit and I'm gonna get back to my girlfriend. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I see you guys in another one. Bye bye.